CyberBrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
It's like a basic thing. So not only to worry about this. All these are very basic things. Company account, currency bank, so not only to worry. And all these details are mentioned, the periods also, for every single of them. So you can go through that particular field information also. What does it mean? So now group customer commitment into a deposit. So suppose customer has made 10 payments. So what you want the bank to do is, in the bank account group, customer payment into a deposit, mark that payment as a deposit. 10 payments of 1,000,000,000,000 as deposit. Then group student electronic payment into a deposit. Okay, if student payments are also there, it's for, like these, student academic clients, grant kind of institutions module. Submittary concern statements automatically. Okay, so if the statements have been reconciled, submit them automatically for further processing. Default bank statement, meaning balance. So we can defer the bank statement beginning balance. Also that whenever the bank statement comes, it will have a beginning balance. The beginning balance was this, and the beginning balance was this. The beginning balance. Okay, enable positive pay. Okay, positive pay is when you submit, when you draw a check for a third party or someone else. Okay, the bank does a formality check. Couple of checks, that do you have the balance? Okay, that's the person name and show the check is correct. Do they have an account in that particular bank where you deposit the check or where they deposit in the check? Okay, any other errors in performance? So that's called a positive pay check. Last number used, we can say 1, and after that it will start putting into and all these things. Check print layout. We'll just use anything. Let's use scenario. Okay, again, this print layout will be designed by the integration to you, not by us. Okay, for settling the payment. Now logbox. Let me tell you what logbox. Logbox is nothing in America. We are certainly in India also, but in the US, they call logbox. So what does logbox means? It simply means that if someone is depositing the payment through check or D or something like this, right, they can deposit check in certain places. Like in the atoms, we have places like wait, says, deposit, check clearance, and all of the things. Same thing in the US. It's called logbox. So don't need to worry about that. If you want to add a particular logbox details, you can add it just like what is the logbox address and all those things. Typically, it's not required these days because everyone deposits the payment online or you don't want to use it to logbox for standard. Okay, now settlement setup. So if you have an associated bank account with this bank account, you can add it here also. Accounts by company. Okay, let's type link it here. Let's see if we have any. Okay, payment type. We can see all of them. We have a category. Let's see all of them. Let's see here in this one. Okay. Okay. And all things with mood. So bank along this creator. Now let me cancel here. Now we will see it. Bank routing rules. Company is BGC. Want to snap in here. Oh, it will be in, because we only supplied chapter. We did use one for our company, so let's add it. Bank routing rule. And let's say link it. So we defaulted one bank account here. Now we will first payment type. We'll just say, like check dash and dark debit. Payment category. Let's say for expense payment, customer refund. And add up payment. Okay. And procurement card payment. And supply payment. Pay group will not say will say anything which is greater than 500. This account would be used. Customer category. Not necessarily here. This category is Command Bank and C. ULC. To acquire. Linked. Now wait, which will be sent to bank. Yeah, this will be used. This will be used, isn't it okay now? So bank routing rule. Now. So if you type bank statement now. Let me show that part also. So we have different reports now. Create bank, because the issue bank system banks and machine report. Transmission type and all those things. Why it's not happening with the access issue. Let's see who has the access. Oh. Thanks. Thanks. It's the main. And bank statement. All those services will get rid of them. Record bank statement. Yeah, you should have access. Okay, so we'll use our link. Okay, so we'll just need to rename this to link it to the account.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.